I've heard of tankless water heaters. What do they really do and how do they work?
Well, what they have is a heat exchanger in the inside of it so that it actually heats the water on demand. As soon as you turn on the faucet, it will turn on the heater to start heating that water and deliver it to you where you want it to. And as soon as you're done using the water, it shuts off so it's not using any more energy.
So it's on demand?
Yes, all the time.
But does it happen instantly?
It's not instant hot water, it's on demand. So you still have to warm up the pipes that go to that area where you're trying to get that water to, but it actually will give you all the water you want. So if you wanted to fill up a big tub and still have somebody else using water in the house after that, you'll have all the capacity you want. It's always hot.
How long would it take, though, when I turn on the faucet? How long is it going to take for my water to get hot?
It's usually, in most of our customers, it's about a half a minute to a minute longer than what they used to be with a standard system that is heating the pipes all the time.
And is that, let's just move over, is that the standard?
Yeah, this is your standard type hot water heater where you have a pot of gas underneath there that's constantly heating that tank all the time. When you use up the water, it's always constantly trying to heat that. And then when you're gone, you know, to work or sleeping at night, it's constantly trying to keep that water warm inside that tank too. And that's where it costs you a lot more money to operate these type of systems.
How much can I save per year just by using a tankless water heater versus your standard gas water heater?
Usually about $100 to $150 a year, you know. But again, in your particular case, because you got an electric hot water heater, most of our customers that we switched are telling me it's about $50 a month that they saved off their electric bill when they switched.
So that's going to be
huge.
Huge. About $500, at least $500 a year if you have an electric heater.
Right.
How much would something like this cost? And the price of the unit and installation generally?
Generally speaking, it's anywhere from about $2,000 to $3,500 for most of the systems installed, complete, ready to go. It depends upon the size you go with or what your house is needing to have it installed with.
So payback, how many years before you get your money back, essentially through savings?
Well, if you have to replace your unit already, you know, the standard one, if it's getting old or it's time to replace anyway, your payback with all those costs factored into it can be about 5 years, you know, or less.